If you thought the heat waves in India this year were bad, then wait till you hear what's happening in Europe. From Spain to the UK, cities are sizzling in record-breaking heat. We are talking about 40 degrees Celsius and above. Paris even had to shut down parts of the Eiffel Tower because of the heat. Sounds familiar, right? But it is the kind of intense weather we are used to here, not for Europe, where this is alarming. And here's the twist. It's not just hot air causing the problem. A massive marine heat wave in the Mediterranean Sea is making everything worse. So what exactly is a marine heat wave? And how can warm water make the land so unbearably hot? Well, let's break it down simply and clearly for you. I'm Shivangi and you're watching India TV. Europe is struggling under record-breaking heat. From Spain to Germany, France to the UK, temperatures are rising fast and dangerously. And this is because of the marine heat wave. So first of all, what is a marine heat wave? A marine heat wave happens when the sea temperature rises 3 to 4 degrees Celsius above normal and stays that way for at least 5 days. This is caused by the ocean absorbing extra heat from the atmosphere, mainly because of greenhouse gases from burning coal, oil and gas. These heat waves are now happening more often, nearly twice as much as in the 1980s, and they are lasting longer, even months or years. Now, why does it matter? Well, these matter because marine heat waves are dangerous. They destroy coral reefs, which support fish and marine life. These heat waves change weather patterns, making storms and hurricanes worse. And that's not all. Marine heat waves warm up the land, leading to heat waves, floods and wildfires in coastal areas. Notably, the Mediterranean Sea is heating up faster than the rest of the world. In June, water temperatures rose 9 degrees Celsius above normal, which is a huge jump. And this extra ocean heat is spilling over onto land, driving up temperatures across Europe. That's why countries like France, Spain and the UK are seeing unusual and dangerous heat waves. So, another question arises here that what can be done? Well, the main cause behind this is climate change, driven by human activities. Therefore, reducing the use of fossil fuels and investing in clean energy are key to stopping the rise in global and ocean temperatures. Until then, the heat waves both in the ocean and on land are likely to get worse and more dangerous. So, were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.